openCV supports Java now, and it's bundled in with the openCV 2.4.4. It's not like the Java CV project, which is also a way to use openCV with Java. So this is supported internally. When you want to download the openCV.exe for Windows platform, you'll see that the executable comes down and you install it or you run it. And when you run it, what happens is this. Here I have it here, and it created a folder, openCV, and in this folder then is the various bits and pieces that you need. The build is the important one in this instance, and you'll see that there's a Java folder there. So after you don't have to do anything, you just basically extract that, run that executable which extracts this. The Java folder then has the jar file, and also it has the DLL for the Windows platform to allow you to do your openCV stuff. So the Java folder here is important, and then subsequently the DLL folder is important there. Just remember where it is. What I have done is I've just taken this simple Java project and got it up and running. So in my particular case, I created a new project here, LOCV, and I modified the properties of the project, in particular the build path, and I added a new external jar here. I said it was openCV 2.4.4. Just give it that name. And the parts that I was interested in is in here is this openCV.jar. So I just added this into that. I said right click in, add external jar, and then migrate it, and selected this guy, which is in the one I just showed you a moment ago. And so this openCV.jar is one part of it. The second part is the open library location, and like I showed you a moment ago, that's in this folder here. So it's just a path to that folder. You can see it there. C: openCV build Java x64 in my case, and that's all I needed to do. When I come out here, then I took the code from the web page from openCV and just broke it up into two separate classes: main.java and detectFaces.java. Here, I had to watch that I was able to specify where the classifier, the cascade classifier, was for the face detection. So I told it explicitly that it's in the openCV folder, the data, the cascades, and so on. And then I've just modified the default Lena image. I've given it a more difficult image detection with 3 faces that I found on the internet. Can't remember where, but due somebody else's work. But this is just a number of faces just to see would it work. It runs, and as you can see here, it runs successfully. And when it does run, it takes that input file and it just then spots the faces in all of those pictures. And equally, if I make that to be Lena and JPEG and run it again. Ooh, the classifiers, what did I do wrong? Lena, the PNG, sorry. And run it again. And the face detection should show Lena's face has been recognized. And that's it really. Very short and sweet and simple.